Hello and welcome to another adult craft kit. My name is Trina and I am a library assistant in the information department at the Belleville Public Library. This month we will be making a no-sew sock bunny. Provided in your kit is one white felt sheet, one pom-pom, 3 strips of white yarn, 2 googly eyes, 1 pony bead, and 2 tiny elastics. Gather from home 1 sock, a glue gun, ribbon, rice or stuffing, and a pair of scissors. Take a handful of stuffing or a good amount of rice and fill the sock down to the toe. You can add or remove the stuffing if the body is too lumpy. You want a nice ball shape. Once satisfied with the body, gather the top of the sock and tie it off with one of the elastics where you would like the body of the bunny to be. Add more rice or stuffing for the head of the bunny, but make sure to keep it smaller. When you're satisfied with the shape, pinch together the top of the sock and tie it off with another elastic. To make the nose, take 3 strands of yarn and push them through the hole of the pony bead. With the glue gun, add a little drop of glue to attach the nose to the head of the bunny. Take the googly eyes and add a bit of glue on the back of them with the glue gun, and then stick them on the upper portion of the bunny. Take your felt and draw a round tummy. And cut it out with your scissors. With the glue gun, add a strip around the outer edge of the felt. Stick it to the bottom portion of the bunny. Take your remaining bit of felt and make some teeth. Glue them on underneath the nose. Attach your pom-pom with the glue gun to the back of the bottom portion of your bunny. With your scissors, cut the top of the material to make bunny ears. To finish your bunny, cut off a strip of ribbon and tie it around the bunny's neck. I hope you enjoyed making this no-sew sock bunny. Please check with us next month for another fun adult craft kit. Take care from all of us at the Belleville Public Library.